Well, I think it's definitely something the New South Wales government can engage the Commonwealth on. We all know the value and importance that international students add to the vibrancy of our city here in Sydney, as well as across regional New South Wales. There's many, many towns that have international students a core part of their mix. We want to make sure that as we move through what is still a challenging environment when dealing with COVID-19, that we put the safety of Australians first, but we also want to make sure that we're putting in the building blocks for recovery. International students are an absolutely crucial part of that. The first way of getting over that challenge is coming up with an appropriate way to quarantine those international students that doesn't reduce the number of Australians that are returning through those existing caps that are agreed to by the Commonwealth and each state. But we've also got to make sure that we stay engaged on those visa issues. I mentioned before that we had 90,000 students that aren't in New South Wales at the moment. We're talking around 287,000 students were in the New South Wales economy in 2019 prior to COVID impacting. We'd really love to see all of those come back and make sure that we continue to grow this sector. We know that Australia is the third most preferred destination anywhere in the world. As we're coming back and as we're opening back up from the impacts of COVID, we don't want to lose our international student position to other nations around the world that might be opening up a little bit faster than us.
Yep.